Surah, number 48, of Quran Majeed. The Victory.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا.
Indeed, we have inaugurated for you a clear victory.
ليغفر لك الله ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر ويتم نعمته عليك ويهديك صراطا مستقيما.
That Allah may forgive you what is past of your sin and what is to come, and that He may perfect His blessing upon you and guide you on a straight path.
وينصرك الله نصرا عزيزا.
And Allah will help you with a mighty help.
هو الذي أنزل السكينة في قلوب المؤمنين ليزدادوا إيمانا مع إيمانهم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَلِيمًا حَكِيمًا.
It is He who sent down composure into the hearts of the faithful that they might enhance in their faith. To Allah belong the hosts of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
ليدخل المؤمنين والمؤمنات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ويكفر عنهم سيئاتهم وكان ذلك عند الله فوزا عظيما.
That He may admit the faithful, men and women, into gardens with streams running in them, to remain in them, forever, and that He may absolve them of their misdeeds. That is a great success with Allah.
وَيُعَذِّبَ الْمُنَافِقِينَ وَالْمُنَافِقَاتِ وَالْمُشْرِكِينَ وَالْمُشْرِكَاتِ الظَّانِّينَ بِاللَّهِ ظَنَّ السَّوْءِ عليهم دائرة السوء وغضب الله عليهم ولعنهم وأعد لهم جهنم وساءت مصيرا.
That He may punish the hypocrites, men and women, and the polytheists, men and women, who entertain a bad opinion of Allah. For them shall be an adverse turn of fortune. Allah is wrathful with them and He has cursed them, and prepared hell for them, and it is an evil destination.
وَلِلَّهِ جُنُودُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَزِيزًا حَكِيمًا.
To Allah belong the hosts of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is almighty, all-wise.
إِنَّا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ شَاهِدًا وَمُبَشِّرًا وَنَذِيرًا.
Indeed, we have sent you as a witness, and as a bearer of good news and warner.
لِتُؤْمِنُوا بِاللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ وَتُعَزِّرُوهُ وَتُوَقِّرُوهُ وَتُسَبِّحُوهُ بُكْرَةً وَأَصِيلًا.
That you may have faith in Allah and His Apostle, and that you may support Him and revere Him, and that you may glorify Him morning and evening.
إن الذين يبايعونك إنما يبايعون الله يد الله فوق أيديهم فمن نكث فإنما ينكث على نفسه ومن أوفى بما عاهد عليه الله فسيؤتيه أجرا عظيما.
Indeed, those who swear allegiance to you, swear allegiance only to Allah. The hand of Allah is above their hands. Then whosoever breaks his oath, breaks it only to his own detriment, and whoever fulfills the covenant he has made with Allah, he will give him a great reward.
سيقول لك المخلفون من الأعراب شغلتنا أموالنا وأهلنا فاستغفر لنا يقولون بألسنتهم ما ليس في قلوبهم قل فمن يملك لكم من الله شيئا إن أراد بكم ضرا أو أراد بكم نفعا بل كان الله بما تعملون خبيرا.
The Bedouins who had stayed back from joining the Prophet in his Umrah journey to Makkah will tell you, our possessions and families kept us occupied. So plead to Allah for our forgiveness. They will say with their tongues what is not in their hearts. Say, whether he desires to cause you harm or desires to bring you benefit, who can be of any avail to you against Allah's will? Indeed, Allah is well aware of what you do.
بل ظننتم أن لن ينقلب الرسول والمؤمنون إلى أهليهم أبدا وزين ذلك في قلوبكم وظننتم ظن السوء وكنتم قوما بورا.
Rather, you thought that the apostle and the faithful will not ever return to their folks, and that was made to seem decorous to your hearts. You entertained evil thoughts, and you were a ruined lot.
وَمَن لَّمْ يُؤْمِن بِاللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ فَإِنَّا أَعْتَدْنَا لِلْكَافِرِينَ سَعِيرًا.
Those who have no faith in Allah and His Apostle should know that we have prepared a blaze for the faithless.
وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ يَغْفِرُ لِمَن يَشَاءُ وَيُعَذِّبُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ غَفُورًا رَّحِيمًا.
To Allah belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. He forgives whomever He wishes, and punishes whomever He wishes, and Allah is all forgiving, all merciful.
سيقول المخلفون إذا انطلقتم إلى مغانم لتأخذوها ذرونا نتبعكم يريدون أن يبدلوا كلام الله قل لن تتبعونا كذلكم قال الله من قبل فسيقولون بل تحسدوننا بل كانوا لا يفقهون إلا قليلا.
In the near future, when you will set out to capture booty, those who stayed behind in this journey will say, "Let us follow you." They desire to change the word of Allah. Say, "You will never follow us. Allah has said thus beforehand." Then they will say, "You are envious of us." Indeed, they do not understand but a little.
قل للمخلفين من الأعراب ستدعون إلى قوم أولي بأس شديد تقاتلونهم أو يسلمون فإن تطيعوا يؤتكم الله أجرا حسنا وإن تتولوا كما توليتم من قبل يعذبكم عذابا أليما.
Say to the Bedouins who stayed behind, later on, you will be called against a people of a great might. They will either embrace Islam, or you will fight them. So if you obey, Allah will give you a good reward. But if you turn away like you turned away before, He will punish you with a painful punishment.
ليس على الأعمى حرج ولا على الأعرج حرج ولا على المريض حرج ومن يطع الله ورسوله يدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ومن يتول يعذبه عذابا أليما.
There is no blame on the blind, nor is there any blame on the lame, nor is the blame on the sick, if they are unable to go out with the troops to face the enemies, and whoever obeys Allah and His Apostle, He will admit him into gardens with streams running in them, and whoever refuses to comply, He will punish him with a painful punishment.
لقد رضي الله عن المؤمنين إذ يبايعونك تحت الشجرة فعلم ما في قلوبهم فأنزل السكينة عليهم وأثابهم فتحا قريبا.
Allah was certainly pleased with the faithful when they swore allegiance to you under the tree. He knew what was in their hearts, so He sent down composure on them, and requited them with a victory near at hand.
وَمَغَانِمَ كَثِيرَةً يَأْخُذُونَهَا وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَزِيزًا حَكِيمًا.
And abundant spoils that they will capture, and Allah is Almighty, All-Wise.
وعدكم الله مغانم كثيرة تأخذونها فعجل لكم هذه وكف أيدي الناس عنكم ولتكون آية للمؤمنين ويهديكم صراطا مستقيما.
Allah has promised you abundant spoils, which you will capture. He has expedited this one for you, and withheld men's hands from you, so that it may be a sign for the faithful, and that He may guide you to a straight path.
وَأُخْرَى لَمْ تَقْدِرُوا عَلَيْهَا قَدْ أَحَاطَ اللَّهُ بِهَا وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرًا.
And other spoils as well, which you have not yet captured, Allah has comprehended them, and Allah has power over all things.
وَلَوْ قَاتَلَكُمُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لَوَلَّوُا الْأَدْبَارَ ثُمَّ لَا يَجِدُونَ وَلِيًّا وَلَا نَصِيرًا.
If the faithless fight you, they will turn their backs to flee. Then they will not find any protector or helper.
سُنَّةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي قَدْ خَلَتْ مِن قَبْلُ وَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَبْدِيلًا.
It is Allah's precedent that has passed before, and you will never find any change in Allah's precedent.
وَهُوَ الَّذِي كَفَّ أَيْدِيَهُمْ عَنكُمْ وَأَيْدِيَكُمْ عَنْهُمْ بِبَطْنِ مَكَّةَ مِنْ بَعْدِ أَنْ أَظْفَرَكُمْ عَلَيْهِمْ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ بَصِيرًا.
It is He who withheld their hands from you, and your hands from them, in the valley of Makkah, after He had given you victory over them, and Allah sees best what you do.
هم الذين كفروا وصدوكم عن المسجد الحرام والهدي معكوفا أن يبلغ محله ولولا رجال مؤمنون ونساء مؤمنات لم تعلموهم أن تطؤوهم فتصيبكم منهم معرة بغير علم ليدخل الله في رحمته من يشاء لو تزيلوا لعذبنا الذين كفروا منهم عذابا أليما.
They are the ones who disbelieved and barred you from the sacred mosque, and kept the offering from reaching its destination. And were it not for certain faithful men and faithful women, whom you did not know, lest you should trample them, and thus the blame for killing them should fall on you unawares. He held you back, so that Allah may admit into His mercy whomever He wishes. Had they been separate, we would have surely punished the faithless among them with a painful punishment.
إذ جعل الذين كفروا في قلوبهم الحمية حمية الجاهلية فأنزل الله سكينته على رسوله وعلى المؤمنين وألزمهم كلمة التقوى وكانوا أحق بها وأهلها وكان الله بكل شيء عليما.
When the faithless nourished bigotry in their hearts, the bigotry of pagan ignorance, Allah sent down His composure upon His apostle and the faithful, and made them abide by the word of God weriness, for they were the worthiest of it and deserved it, and Allah has knowledge of all things.
لقد صدق الله رسوله الرؤيا بالحق لتدخلن المسجد الحرام إن شاء الله آمنين محلقين رؤوسكم ومقصرين لا تخافون فعلم ما لم تعلموا فجعل من دون ذلك فتحا قريبا.
Certainly Allah has fulfilled His apostle's vision in all truth. You will surely enter the sacred mosque, God willing, in safety and without any fear, with your heads shaven or hair cropped. So He knew what you did not know, and He assigned you, besides that, a victory near at hand.
هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله وكفى بالله شهيدا.
It is He who has sent His apostle with guidance and the true religion, that He may make it prevail over all religions, and Allah suffices as witness.
محمد رسول الله والذين معه أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم تراهم ركعا سجدا يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا سيماهم في وجوههم من أثر السجود ذلك مثلهم في التوراة ومثلهم في الإنجيل كزرع أخرج شطأه فآزره فاستغلظ فاستوى على سوقه يعجب الزراع ليغيظ بهم الكفار وعد الله الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات منهم مغفرة وأجرا عظيما.
Muhammad, the apostle of Allah, and those who are with him are hard against the faithless and merciful amongst themselves. You see them bowing and prostrating, in worship, seeking Allah's grace, and His pleasure. Their mark is visible on their faces, from the effect of prostration. Such is their description in the Torah and their description in the Evangel. Like a tillage that sends out its shoots and builds them up, and they grow stout and settle on their stalks, impressing the sowers, so that he may enrage the faithless by them. Allah has promised those of them who have faith and do righteous deeds forgiveness and a great reward.